Hey guys, welcome to Hustler's algorithm. Today we are going to be solving this famous Leetcode problem, which is twosome. So basically we are given an array of integers nums and a target integer. So we have to find the indexes of two elements which sum up to the target. Okay, so let's take this first example. The target is 9, right? Yeah. So what we can do is, for each element we can find another element which sums up to the target. Like for 2 we can find 7 which sums up as 9. Okay, so the overall time complexity for this will be n square, because for each element we'll find another element throughout the array. So can we do better? Okay, so let's see. So what we can do is, while traversing the array, we can keep the track of if the element which is required to sum up to target is present or not. So let's say from 2, we'll check if 9 minus 2, which will be 7, is it present till now? No, it is not present. Okay, so let's move forward. For 7, we have 9 minus 7, which will be 2. So if we have 2, yeah, we have, so we can just return as 0 and 1, because the elements at this index sums up to target. So for storing the elements while we traverse, we can use a hash map where the key will be the actual element and the index will be the value. Okay, so let's start coding it. So let's create a hash map. So let's start iterating over the array. Now let's check if the map contains other element. Like for 2, we will find if 7 is present to sum up to 9, and for 7 we will check if 2 is present to sum up to 9. Okay, so let's check for map dot. If it is present, then we can return our answer as I will be the actual index of this current element and the index of this element which we have to check. Okay, else if it is not present, we can simply put this element into the map and just put its index. Now we can simply return an integer array. So now when we return from here, this simply means that no two elements are found which can actually sum up to target. So let's see if it runs or not. So yeah, here it will be map.contains key. Yeah, rest everything is fine. So yeah, it gets accepted. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such DSA videos.